Hello and a very warm welcome to Musings of Manu. And I know you've read the thumbnail, how to make friends in college. Most important aspect of a college life, or I should say, having friends is like having everything by your side while you are in college. They help you in your examinations, they help you while you are in college. You need an emotional support. Definitely friends are very much important, and whosoever is telling you that college friends are all fake, it's not the truth. Friends, you will get some college friend and you will spend the rest of your lifetime talking to them, ranting about all those life happenings and your whereabouts. So definitely it's important to have college friends, and I will tell you how to make college friends. So let's begin. Okay, so just imagine yourself in a situation where you are around so many strangers and you don't know anything about them. Okay, how can you start the conversation? What is the one thing that you can say to them? You have nothing to talk, right? You are not friends, you don't know their backgrounds, you don't know where they come from, what their thoughts are. You can just judge them from somewhere else, but you cannot talk to them. But let me tell you what I used to do. These are my methods, and you can definitely try them out. So let's say you just go to someone and you see they are very pretty. You can just say it to them. Sometimes you will feel it inside yourself, and sometimes you'll have to look what this person has. Let's say someone is very good at communication skills. So you can just go and tell that person, I'd love to learn from you. You are so good at communicating with others. You are so good at expressing about yourself. Just go and tell them. There should be no hesitation, there should be no doubts about telling someone. 10 out of 9 people will thank you and talk to you and ask you about yourself. But maybe there will be that one person who will not respond, who will not be interested in communicating with you. You will just say, oh, okay, maybe. So it's like, what's the point? What's the point in that? 9 people are responding to you, that's enough. You don't need that. You don't have to expect that every single person is that one person. And even if they don't respond, it's fine. You'll move on to the next person. So it's the best way to, I am telling you about networking. That's how you go and network with people. Just ask them for a favor. Let's say you're in a conference and you're looking for some restroom, or you're looking for some professor. Just go and ask them, could you do me a favor and pass this on, or could you do me a favor and show me the way to this room? You can definitely ask for favors. People love helping people. Trust me on this. So this was all about networking. Let's talk about how to make actual friends in college. Actual friends through societies, through volunteership programs, and through your classroom. So in class, when you sit with someone, just try to be very polite with them, try to appreciate them, compliment them, make their day. What's wrong with that? When you make someone smile, the god makes you smile. So just go and compliment someone and make someone smile. If you think that person is glowing, just go and tell them that you're glowing, you're beautiful. So that's how you start your conversation in your classes. And when you're a bright student, it's definitely possible for you to make friends. You can share your notes with them, you can try to be kind to them, you can try to help them. And then societies part I will talk about. In societies, you have some common grounds to be friends with, right? When you are a superstar, let's say when you are a superstar or you are a celebrity and you are in a room full of people, and people are coming to you, talking to you and taking selfies with you, you are very kind to them. But you are a no one. When you are a no one, you will have to be kind to other people. You will have to tell them that I exist in this room and you can talk to me. That's how you get people to talk to you. If you're not a celebrity, people don't know you, nobody will be interested in talking to you unless or until you go and initiate that conversation. So initiation is the execution that you need. You will have to take actions in order to make friends in societies. Then volunteership programs. When you go and volunteer for some non-profit organization and NGOs, you will realize that there are so many people just like you doing stuff that you wanted to do for a long time, and they are smiling at you, they are trying to help you out, they are trying to ask you which college or which university have you graduated from or you come from. So you can just go and talk to them on the same grounds, or you can talk to them about the jobs or the opportunities. Maybe you must have something in similar or in in mutual with them. You should definitely go and talk to them about that. When you have some common grounds, you definitely get to be friends with people like that. So these are the best ways that I have tried in my college life, and it has always worked for me. I don't know if for you it works for you or not. You can definitely try your new ways as well, but these are my ways, and they definitely helped me a lot during those days. So yeah, see you in the next video, and if you like this video, share it with someone who needs it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.